Which village in India has no doors on the houses? A. Malanong, B. Shani Shingnapur, C. Kodini. Correct answer is B. Shani Shingnapur. What is Lord Krishna's favorite item? A. Milk, B. Butter, C. Ghee. Correct answer is B. Butter. In which Indian state is there a temple of Ravana? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. What is the highest export item of India? A. Tea, B. Petroleum products, C. Rice. Correct answer is B. Petroleum products. What is the average lifespan of a horse? A. 15 to 20 years, B. 25 to 30 years, C. 35 to 40 years. Correct answer is B. 25 to 30 years. Which Indian state has the most SBI branches? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. What is the national fruit of India? A. Apple, B. Mango, C. Banana. Correct answer is B. Mango. Which is the tallest minaret in India? A. Charminar, B. Qutub Minar, C. Fateh Burj. Correct answer is B. Qutub Minar. How many planets are there in the solar system? A. 7, B. 8, C. No. Correct answer is B. 8. Which is the most poisonous fish in the world? A. Stonefish, B. Piranha, C. Catfish. Correct answer is A. Stonefish. People of which country are believed to be influenced by Lord Ganesha? A. Sri Lanka, B. Japan, C. Nepal. Correct answer is B. Japan. What was Gautam Buddha's childhood name? A. Rahul, B. Siddharth, C. Devdutt. Correct answer is B. Siddharth. Which vitamin is found in lemons and oranges? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Which animal sees everything in double? A. Sheep, B. Chameleon, C. Fly. Correct answer is C. Fly. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? A. The 2nd of October, B. The 5th of September, C. 15 August. Correct answer is B. 5 September. Where is the Hawa Mahal located? A. Delhi, B. Jaipur, C. Agra. Correct answer is B. Jaipur. Which is the fastest growing plant? A. Corn, B. Bamboo, C. Mustard. Correct answer is B. Bamboo. Which was the first country to send humans to the moon? A. Russia, B. China, C. United States. Correct answer is C. United States. When was the first newspaper printed in India? A. 1780, B. 1800, C. 1857. Correct answer is A. 1780.